Asim Ajnabi NS. I have sufficient skill in warehouse operations and procurement management. I am taking this video to our World Skill Council certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and relevance of international business and logistics. For my subject, warehouse management provided a clear understanding about the types of warehouse operation, selection for location, equipment, used in material handling, functional, etc. From the goods at the lowest price, economical way to purchasing. International business as logistic management is also from me to know about international function. International World Trade Organization and globalization and signification of logistics and the personnel scanner. This been learning this subject. The topic under transportation helped me to pros and cons of more selection of a system that needs of and on for my subject warehouse management provided a clear understanding about these types of warehousing operation and selection for location and equipment, used material handling, functional from the goods purchasing. International business and logistics management is also from the canal about international functional well